Hey there, world travelers.
Hey there.
I'm Tanya.
And I'm Dave.
And we are Turn It Up World.
Can you hear that rooster?
It's like the big
When we're not on the road or overseas, we're back in our second hometown of Austin, Texas. And let me tell you, there's not a day that goes by that something good is going on in this town. So we figured, why not share with you some of the fun things that make Austin, Texas, one of the fastest growing cities in the U.S. Welcome to the 5th episode of
Say what, Austin? Road trip!
Welcome to our tiny home in Texas Hill Country.
Pipe Creek, Texas.
So it's our first tiny house adventure, and I'm gonna say first of many, and I'm super excited to show you guys this. And like we keep saying, the Texas Hill Country. I mean, this is awesome to kind of escape the city, come out into the Texas Hill Country. There's gonna be a beautiful sunset. We can't wait to show you that. We should get inside and show you exactly what this cute thing looks like. Don't you think, David?
Yes, let's do it.
Let's show them what it looks like. Hey, welcome, welcome. So this is our tiny home. It's really nice and charming. I guess we'll start with this side, which I think is really cute. This is like the piece de resistance. How comfortable does this bed look? We're hoping, I mean, it's very springy. I love the fact, the biggest thing is I'm gonna love waking up to, you have the sunset happening over here, but you have the sunrise, it's probably gonna happen right over here. It's just really beautiful for sure. And you know what's neat? Underneath this. Underneath here is all of our stuff. It's like storage, which is really cool. It's like, boom. I mean, it's typical of the tiny homes to really kind of make use of space, which I thought was really neat. You got a microwave here. Of course, most important is the coffee pot. Check it out, with all different kind of coffees and cocos and teas. Wow, I didn't even know that, but nice to know it. It's really got a nice full-on sink, and look at all this counter space, y'all. I mean, this is like my jam. Like if I were to cook, which we're not going to be doing this evening, there's a lot of prepping space, which is awesome. The cutting board is here, a full deep sink, and lots of windows, which I love. Lots and lots of windows, because it just brings in like tons of natural light. And just imagine like you're sitting here, Dave and I sitting at this table, right, Dave? And it has like coffee in the morning, looking at this view. How awesome is that?
Oh, it looks pretty nice.
Right?
Wow.
Tell me that is not like simply gorgeous. Now, this is a pretty interesting little thing here. It's got, obviously we got some of our groceries and food in here, but it's like a little mini fridge for sure. Tons of storage. They give you robes. So that's a nice thing. They give you like cute robes to use for sure. And I don't know if I'm gonna be using those because I brought my own goodies to keep me toasty, but that's nice. Now, check this out, y'all. It's a full bathroom. A full-on bathroom. Look at this, a full-on bathroom with a tub. I'm talking bubbly bath. Say what? A bubbly bath and a shower. How cool is this?
It looks brand new.
It looks brand spanking new.
Super clean, yeah.
Yeah, and this is really got the charm. Of course, it's got the ventilation systems, a full sink, which is nice, and tons of extra storage. They even have a hair dryer in here and extra soaps. I mean, very well thought out for sure.
But what about that toilet?
Yeah, this is funky. This is kind of funky. Maybe you can just show a sample just this one time. You do your business. Woo! You finish your business. Woo! And then this little button here, you push it, and look at that. Whoa! It's like the hand. It's like some hand is underneath there, grabbing your business and like turning it up.
It's rolling a hot dog.
It's like, ew.
And what do they say? They say if it's yellow.
Well, the other thing is if it's yellow, let it mellow. If it's brown, flush it down. Unfortunately, I didn't follow the directions on that one. I'm sorry. I just wanted to show you guys what that was like. Check this out. It's like a little pathway.
Yes.
Right? And I think that's what's gonna either keep us up all night or wake us up early in the morning. Like there's this rooster that just is going to town over there. I'm not sure if he thinks it's sunrise or sunset, or maybe they yodel at both sunrise and sunset.
Rooster. I think it's drunk.
Wow. Now look at this view.
Oh my god.
Wow.
They have an amazing view here.
This is incredible.
Yeah.
How you enjoying this view?
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Could you live here?
I could live here. Hit that damn rooster.
Okay, now we get it. The tiny home enables you to live a life on your own terms. Simple, energy efficient, and the ability to enjoy views and incredible sunsets like this wherever you go. It's definitely a lifestyle that's not suited for everyone, but it's well worth the experience.
So what do you think, Tanya?
Whew, I think we had a wonderful day. I love this fire.
Oh man, it's nice,
It feels so good because it's so breezy and so cold right now. And it's nice having like a glass of wine by this. I'm loving it. Loving it, loving it. So you know what I think though? I think we should probably just enjoy our wine. And there's supposed to be a really awesome breakfast in the morning.
Yes.
And we should just enjoy the fire and then see everyone in the morning. What do you think?
I agree.
All right, so we'll see you in the morning.